And yet another one. If 800,000 accumulated in an RRSP is used to purchase an annuity, earning 9% compounded monthly and paying $8,500 at the end of each month, what will be the term of the annuity? So we're looking for the term, which is N. Do not round intermediate calculations and round up the number of payments. Okay, so this time I read through the question. If 800,000 is accumulated in an RSP and it's used to purchase an annuity, so the present value is 800,000 and I put it as a negative because we're going to use that money to purchase the annuity. So that's going to be an outflow of cash. Earning 9%, so interest per year 9, compounded monthly, so compounding's 12, and paying $8,500 at the end of each month. So at the end of each month, so it's monthly, so payments per year are 12. And the payment, but that payment is coming to you. You've purchased the annuity with the 800,000 and now you're receiving payments of 8,500. So that's positive. So at the end of the annuity, there's no money, it's 0. So future value is 0. And we need to calculate N. So you just put all those values in, N, and then you compute your N and you will get 163.78. So we are going to round up to an even number of payments to 164.